How to switch accounts on WhatsApp on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have installed and downloaded the app. If you have already installed, make sure that it is updated to its latest version. Then tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of the WhatsApp application. Now here, what we're going to do is we're going to tap on three dotted lines and tap on settings and then tap on the down icon over here and tap on add accounts. Now, as you tap on add account, it will lead you to a new page where you can add accounts. So agree and continue and then mention and enter your new phone number that you want to add the account for. And after typing the number, you need to select on next. Tap on yes. Then to verify a number, it will send the code. So you just have to enter the verification code and then you'll be able to log into a new account and switch account on WhatsApp. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.